Welcome back to rTech. In today's video, we're going to review the Braun XT5. This is an all-in-one razor, trimmer, and a body groomer for men. Let's find out how good it is. So it's been a while since I did a review for a trimmer. There's one which I did way back, about 2-3 years back, and that's done really well. So this one's the XT5. It also has another model called the XT3. I really don't know what the difference is. I see this a lot. I tried finding it out on Google, but there's not much written there. So this one's the all-in-one razor and trimmer from Braun. So it's called the XT5, sometimes XT5 100. It's available in different regions with different accessories. This one doesn't have a pouch, unfortunately, and it is supposed to be a competitor for the Philips One Blade. Right, supposed to be a little better than that because the blades last a little longer, and it's also got a flexible head and a couple of other features which makes it a little better probably than the Philips. But I've seen negative reviews too. But I picked this one up because it has this specialized blade with 4 different zones of trimming and cutting. So let's quickly have this open. Price wise, this retails for about $2,800. Whereas the XT3 is slightly cheaper at around $2,000. But this one's got more attachments. That's the only difference I felt, but if you have any more, let me know in the comments below. Slightly different type of packaging here. It's a slide out unit, and this doesn't seem like it has some sort of a box which you can reuse. So it's just got an outer cover and then this shell inside. Sort of looks like it's made of paper, but yeah, there's a manual in the left corner of the box. A lot of cost cutting here by Braun, and we can see that the manual is very basic. It's just a paper manual. Let's put that aside. We also have everything which is actually laid out pretty simple here. So you have all these attachments here. This one's got about 5 of them. You do get 6 attachments in some regions. So this one's got 5. No case, as I mentioned, but you'll also see that there's another model available. No change in the name, but you have the packaging along with a case. So like I mentioned, this packaging is really bad. I mean, this is how they actually give you the attachments, and there's no carrying case either. So you just have a cardboard holding all these together. The attachments do look flimsy, but they're good quality stuff. There's also carrying case cover which kind of protects your blade. I like that one a lot. And you have different trimmer sizes here. Let's pull out the charger. So again, this looks like made of good quality, but honestly there's no removable cable here. So in case you damage this cable, you'll have to pick up a new charger from Braun. Trying to see how long this cable is, and by the looks of it, it looks like about 1 meter long, so that's okay. And it's a proprietary plug, so no USB-C or anything like that, so be careful with that charger. Here is a trimmer wrapped in this plastic. Honestly, Braun devices were really much better quality some time back, but I don't know, the packaging looks very basic. So here it says XT5. Not a big fan of this rubberized finish because I do notice that if you leave this on for a couple of years, they tend to get a little sticky. I don't know whether you guys have come across that, but yeah. So this is the blade. It's got 4 cutting zones as compared to the Philips One Blade. Removable. You got to replace this every once in a while. We'll come to that later. But yeah, this is stainless steel, and that's the power button there. So no lights which glow when it's in operation. And that's the charging socket at the rear. It's completely waterproof, this thing. So you can use it in the shower and nothing's going to happen to it. What do you guys think about this look? Okay, let's try on a few attachments here. So they have the sizes mentioned on each of the attachments here. I'm not really bothered about these because my main goal of buying one of these was to actually shave or trim your beard as close as possible. But they do give you these attachments with different measurements so that you can trim your beard accordingly. Very easy to remove this. No locking mechanism. It's a snug fit. The white attachment here is made for the closer sensitive area grooming, so that's included as well in this one. I think this one is actually not available in the XT3. So there you go, these are the attachments. So this one's labeled as 0, that means that's 0 mm is what they're trying to say. And this is a protective cover which I really like. Kind of helps you carry this along when you're traveling, protects the blade. It's like one of those toothbrush cars, and this is similar to that. So nothing else in the box, that's all you get for this shaver. There's something written on the back. Initially it looks like it's scratched or something, but when you actually look closely, they've given some details of what kind of model this is and what kind of voltage it runs on, things like that. Very nicely etched on this, so do check that out as well. So overall, I think it really looks nice. It's very handy. It's supposed to have a runtime of about 45 minutes. I'm not sure what kind of battery it's using. It's mostly got to be lithium ion. But the charging time really sucks because this needs to be left for at least 10 hours for a complete full charge. So you can imagine it's extremely slow charging. You'll have to leave it overnight. And this is the way the charger plugs in. And you do have a small LED which glows. So when it flickers green, it means that it's actually charging. So you can't use this device when it's being charged. I tried it a couple of times, it doesn't work. So if you're planning to use it while charging, it doesn't do that. So let's do some real world testing here. So you can use this dry or wet, with or without foam. So even using it without any water and on a dry skin, it's quite comfortable. So it does a good job, and it's a little noisy, as you can hear. It's very noisy. And I heard that Philips is a little more silent as compared to this one. And this has a four-way movement, which kind of translates to about 450 different movements per second. I don't know how true it is, but using foam kind of makes it a little more comfortable to use it on your skin. And the flexible head also allows you to kind of comfortably glide this across your neck and your skin. So is it as good as a regular razor? I would say no, because this one would probably give you a beard about a day old. So if you're comfortable with that, this is a good way to kind of use this on a regular basis, but it's not a very close shave. So it's about a day old, maybe half a day old beard for some people. And you do have to keep going up and down a couple of times to kind of get rid of that hair. And as well as you can see that you can use it for body grooming. I haven't showed you a demo here, but you do have the options to use it for that. Blades stay sharp for 6 months, after which you'll have to pick up an accessory from Amazon or somewhere else. That's listed here again. It's called the XT5 blade replacement. The model is called XT10, so do look out for that as well. So that's my review for the Braun XT5. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll leave links in the description to pick up one of these. Once again, thank you so much for watching rTech. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.